The ROBOTIME Kids Play Kitchen is an engaging playset designed to spark children's imagination with its interactive features like a toaster, cuttable fruits, and a toddler gardening set. Crafted from high-quality wood with non-toxic paint, this play kitchen ensures safety and durability, making it perfect for little hands to explore and enjoy. Beyond just a fun activity, this kitchen set offers educational value by enhancing kids' fine motor skills and teaching them about cooking and household chores. The play kitchen is thoughtfully sized for children, featuring ample storage compartments and a small blackboard, helping kids develop organizational skills. Assembly is made easy with detailed instructions and tools provided, and the realistic design elements like the ice maker and oven contribute to an immersive playtime experience. This play kitchen is a versatile gift for boys and girls aged 3 and above, encouraging them to role play as chefs, gardeners, or homemakers.